Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a trend line on a chart in CoinMarketCap. If you want to track price trends on your favorite crypto, drawing a trend line on a CMC chart helps you analyze support and resistance level. First of all, launch open the CoinMarketCap application on your device and log in. Once you're inside the home page of CoinMarketCap, select a coin you want to analyze. After choosing a coin, go ahead and tap on full screen and you'll then be able to see the full screen mode for the selected chart. Now on the right hand corner, you should see several different menus from where you can draw a trend line. Tap on the one single line option at the top right underneath the cross icon, and this will open up the expanded menu where you'll need to tap on trend line and then select an anchor line anywhere on the chart and select another anchor line and you will be able to see the line drawn in the chart. After you do that, you will see a line drawn in the chart. You can then lock the line by tapping the lock icon at the bottom of the screen, and there you have successfully drawn a trend line in CoinMarketCap. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.